Hey crypto kids, and welcome back to another video. Today Bitcoin is trading at $28,000. Guys, massive congrats if you did decide to open a trade where I discussed this triangle in the last video. My take profit was set at $27,700, and I'm going to explain why you should, it's good, but in the short term there is still a possibility that we can come back towards the downside. And also we're going to be talking about a lot of macro topics, and I'm starting a segment on the channel where we buy some Bitcoin every single video, because honestly the last 2 days I've been just going back and researching Bitcoin, monetary policy, just going back and diving deeper in a time of low volatility, because I think it's very, very important. And I will share some of the knowledge with you that I found out, which is going to be very crucial for your understanding. Hence, which is why I want to buy Bitcoin every single video, because it is, in my opinion, extremely cheap at the current price. But ladies and gents, let's dive into the video right now. So first of all, TA, as I said, my long take profit, which I said in the previous video, was at $27,700. This is because on the weekly time frame, we do have some critical resistance with the 30 period moving average, which is a part of the Consensio trading system that we are using on the channel. Now, it ranges between 27,700 and now, because the price has moved up to $28,000. But as you can see, we are retesting this. Now, it's super crucial, I mean, incredibly crucial, that Bitcoin actually makes it above and bounces this level, because if not, like I discussed on the previous video, short term, it's not going to be good, because once we saw this cross right here, Bitcoin did fall around, I think it was like 60% or even more. So let's check with the ruler tool here on TradingView. It fell about, yeah, 58%. So that wouldn't be amazing, right? That would not be great at all. And we don't want that. And am I saying that's going to happen? No, of course not. Like I mentioned in my previous videos, if we do get rejected from here, it will be bad, right? It for sure will be bad in the short term. I do think Bitcoin could come to $24,200, because as you can see, we had price moving up like after a big drop, and we saw consolidation towards the upside, and then Bitcoin hit the 30 period moving average and got immediately rejected. So the same situation can happen, because history does repeat itself, especially in technical analysis. That's literally what we look at. But if we did get rejected, I think to 24.2K is the possible situation. So personally, I'm not looking into longs. The long opportunity was in the last video. So guys, make sure to turn on the notification bell, leave a like, and subscribe, because you will not miss out on any of my content. So that is what is super important, guys. I am a little sick, so I do apologize for my voice. But this is the short-term TA. So as I said, we could get rejected, but if not, and we make it above $28,600, it'll be incredibly amazing. Why? Because if I show you the VPVR, which displays the volume on Bitcoin, so let's close that. Let's turn on our VPVR, and we can get rid of our moving averages. So over here, there is a massive hold on the VPVR. And last video, we discussed with Carl that because there is a hold, if Bitcoin manages to break above 27.4K, it will shoot up towards the upside pretty fast. And that's exactly what it did. Now we do have resistance on $28,900 if we still continue towards the upside. But other than that, again, that was a nice longing opportunity on the previous video. But guys, I am going to be buying Bitcoin every single video. So let's talk about that. Why have I decided to buy Bitcoin every single video? No matter the price. This is the 15-minute chart, by the way. 15-minute chart on Bitflex looks like we could be forming a double top, FYI. This is a possibility for all the scalp short-term traders, day traders out there. But I'm going to be buying Bitcoin every day. And I just transferred, I think, 500 USDT to this account just for now. But we are going to be buying Bitcoin every single video, and I'm going to be starting to buy with just $50, 50 USDT. That's what I'm going to be doing, because or 50 USDT, 15 USDT, 10, doesn't matter, just some Bitcoin every day, because the thing that I'm trying to create here is that it doesn't matter, right? I mean, in terms of cryptocurrencies, I think I'm now more of a Bitcoin maxi, because I mean, looking into Bitcoin, I will make more detailed videos about this. It really solves massive problems and it's really revolutionary. I will make more dedicated videos on this because I could talk about this for hours. But some bullish things that I want to show you, some bullish data, is that the hash rate is it's still going up. The hash rate is it's incredibly high, even though the price is pretty low, and the network difficulty is also rising. So just some background on this. The hash rate rising means that there are more computers dedicated to actually mining Bitcoin. And because there are more computers mining Bitcoin, and that Bitcoin is so revolutionary and can adjust its difficulty automatically, the difficulty is also rising. So this is actually a massive problem because there has been different forms of Bitcoin that has been tried to be made in the past, but it's just never been created. And Bitcoin solves this problem. There's been other forms of currency like cigarettes, even, or in the island of Yap, they were transacting with big rocks. Again, I will make a very big dedicated video on this, perhaps even a podcast. So make sure to turn on the notification bell to not miss that, because really, it will blow your mind and you will become a maxi just like I became one too. So for now, let's buy some 50 USDT worth of Bitcoin. And there we go. We just did it, I believe, here on Bitflex. And guys, if you want to be trading Bitcoin, trading cryptocurrencies in general, you can sign up to Bitflex. And currently we are running a $1,000 giveaway. I think I should have like a pop-up here. So if you join, deposit 50 USDT and make at least one derivatives trade, you can win $1,000 USDT on your Bitflex account. And this is valid until, wow, the 30th of November. So you have some time to do this. And of course, you need to sign up using the link in the description below, which is super easy. And guys, also, if you want to be trading a wider range of cryptocurrencies, then I would recommend Bybit. Make sure to do your own research, but you can get up to $30,000 worth of bonuses with this link if you are a first-time signee. So that is it for Bitcoin. And yeah, I'm going to be buying Bitcoin every day. That is what it's looking like in terms of very important events this week. So not much on the first half of the week. Actually, this is on Monday, which is today. No, this is October. Yeah, this is October 2nd. It's Monday already. It's pretty crazy. Yesterday, we went to a Charlie Puth concert, me, Da Vinci, and Carl. It was pretty cool. So I slept at 1 a.m. Now it's like 7 a.m. and I'm just about to go to school, but I saw that Bitcoin broke 28K, so that's why I'm recording the video. So we have a couple of members speaking for the FOMC throughout the week. I think this should give us an indication on where the interest rates are going to go, because if we look at the predicted, it looks like the year will close off on the same interest rates, and then it looks like on January, people are expecting an interest rate. Well, wow, okay, so this data has changed from when I last looked at it, but people are expecting an interest rate hike next year and to close off this year with the same rates overall. Jamie Dimon, who is he's the head of BlackRock, is expecting a 7% interest rate worst case with stagflation. Now, if this happens, there will be a lot of stress in the system. And guys, guess what? Stress in the system, which has been long overdue to, collapse and has been extended. It's been extended to avoid the inevitable. We'll be in a lot of stress if we hit 7% interest rates. So, guys, Bitcoin, I have a feeling will do very, very well, which is why on spot, right? On spot, we are going to be accumulating Bitcoin together on this channel every single video with money, of course, that we're not afraid to lose. That is why it's such a small amount. But guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, please do make sure to smash up the like button. In fact, I wanted to try something cool. There's a new Mac update, and apparently I can do something like this. Hold on. I think this is not working. So if I get rid of this here, wow, this looks cool. What do you think of this? Should I make my videos like this and be like, a teacher and present to you guys? Look, so Bitcoin is going towards the upside. I think this is cool. Let me know in the comment section below, what do you think, if I should continue making videos like this? But guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care, everyone. I would be careful on Bitcoin at the moment. Again, the longing opportunity is past, in my opinion. We are forming that double top on the 15-minute chart, so I would watch out for that. But guys, that is pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, everyone. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you guys in the next video very soon. Take care, everyone, and bye-bye.